So guys, welcome back from Mentor English, Professor M. Raza. Today I'm inside Falak Sher Jan Snooker Club, underground Mizan Bank, and we are watching a great game by respected Javed Dona and respected Hasnan, player of snooker. So the brother of Saklan, and we are watching this with all enthusiastic movements, and all the polls are very creative and very enthusiastic. So along with this, if you want to save this video and put this video in front of respected Falak Sherjan, you will get 10% discount in this club. And another request is that please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Mentor English, Professor M. Raza. Have a good day.
Very good.